In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your Toyota's alternator isn't charging the battery. If your car keeps dying, the lights are dim, or you're constantly jump-starting, this guide is for you. First, start by checking the battery terminals. Make sure they're clean and tight. Corrosion or loose connections can stop the alternator from charging properly. Clean off any rust or buildup with a wire brush. Next, inspect the alternator belt. If it's worn, loose, or broken, the alternator won't spin correctly. Replace the belt if needed and make sure it has proper tension. Then, use a multimeter to test the alternator output. With the engine running, you should see around 13.8 to 14.5 volts across the battery terminals. If the voltage is lower, the alternator may be failing. Also, check the alternator fuse and wiring. A blown fuse or damaged wire can block power from flowing. Replace any faulty components. If everything looks fine but the battery still isn't charging, the alternator itself may need replacement. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more hands-on car repair tips. Thanks for watching.